the spirit of Indonesia. Welcome to our weekly program with Radio Smartfm Makassar, namely Smart Up Your Life, English discussion with English communities in Makassar with me, Ila, as a host today. Give an applause for us. So, of course, I'm not alone here, guys. We have friends from English communities in Makassar. Give an applause for us. So, before we start to discuss about our topic today, let's get to know our speakers one by one. So, guys, I will ask you one by one to introduce yourself. Please mention your meeting club and what about the schedule, and what is the interesting thing in your community that you want to offer to our viewers, and mention your name, and what about your schedule, and please mention your interesting thing in your community that you want to offer to our speakers, our listeners and viewers at home. Start from you. Yes.
Okay, thank you, Ila. Okay, giving applause for Ila. Okay, as a host for today. The most beautiful here, right?
Oh my God.
Yeah. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is, you know me. Okay, my name is Diaz. You can call me Diaz, Kak Diaz, and I'm from BPIC Benteng Panyo English Club. You know, Benteng Panyo English Club is the oldest baiting club in East Indonesia.
Oh.
Is not in Makassar, because you know, in 37 maybe about or around 37 years old.
Oh my God,
already.
it's
Yeah,
great.
of course, absolutely. So about the schedule routine or weekly, we have a weekly meeting. Every Sunday at 10 until 2 p.m. And of course, we have also another activity like D2D and others. So, because this is, of course, free of charge, so all of you guys at home, smart viewers and listeners, can join with us free of charge. Come on, join every Sunday. Come on.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Kak Sam,
yes,
or Kak
anytime.
Diaz.
Yes, anytime.
Okay, let's move to the next. What about you?
So thanks for the time that's given to me. My name is Naufal Mufli,
Okay.
but you can call me Nofal or Nopal. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello, Kak Noval.
Okay. So yeah. But most of my friends call me Nop Nop.
Nop Nop.
Nop Nop.
Oh, Nop Nop. Cute.
No.
Yeah, knock knock.
Just
Cute
Nop
name.
Nop. Okay. So yeah, I'm originally from Sungguh Minasa, Goa. I'm from here, and yeah. My English meeting club is Equinsa.
Equinsa.
Yeah, Equinsa.
At UIN.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That located in Romampolong. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, if you want to join with us in Equinsa, you can search in our Instagram at Equinsa, ECUINSA.
Okay. Thank you, Kak Nop Nop. Nop Nop from Equinsa. So, what about you?
Alright, greetings everyone. My name's Mukti Miftahullah Jalil, but I usually goes by Mukti. Tonight I'm representing Bicara community, which is not only English but almost all of the language right now. And we have some program just like a free class on Sunday and Saturday, if I'm not mistaken. And usually we do it offline, but at the moment we only have online course, but it's still free of charge as well. And other than that, we have also weekly discussion and debate session where we gather up and maybe just talk about anything that interests us to learn and practice our speaking even further. So yeah, look it up. We have Instagram Bicara Community.
Okay, thank you, Kak Mukti. So, you.
So before I want to say hi guys.
Hello.
Okay. My name is Erwin. I'm from Embryos.
Okay.
Yeah, that's one community group. Yeah.
English community.
Yeah, English community. Makassar, and then the embryos is the combination of Americans, British, and Australian.
Okay.
And then,
Nice.
Yeah, you can join the maybe you can join the embryos, guys, because we have free
Free of charge.
free of charge. Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
And then we always
the schedule. The schedule
yeah,
is.
about the schedule. We always ready ready one a weeks.
Okay. Once a week.
Once a
okay.
week.
On what is
On Wednesday.
Okay, thank you. So that's all our speakers today, guys. So let's talk about our topic today. Do you know, guys, what is our topic today?
Absolutely, yeah.
What is it?
Mental block.
Okay, guys. So today we are going to talk about mental block. Mental block itself is like belief in a belief that to like one of a belief that in our mind that become one obstacle to get our success, like for example, like we always think negatively and we block our opportunities to get our success or to get our achievement. So I think we have to discuss this is I want to ask to our speakers today, what do you think about this topic? Start from Erwin.
Okay. The topic is mental blocks, and then I think the mental block is one of a problem of the life, because the mental block can make your stuck about your dreams.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, stuck about your dreams, and if you make a mental block, like is a not problem of your life
Mm-hmm.
the mental block can't improve yourself, because we need move from the box. If we need improve the self.
Ourselves.
Okay,
Okay. Okay, thank you, Erwin. What about you, Kak Mukti?
Well, according to me, I'm not quite familiar with this mental block things yet, but from what I've learned so far, I think it's some kind of a self-inflicted harm. It starts psychologically, but it can go as far as physical problems. So for me, if you are having a mental block, maybe seek help. It's okay to seek help, maybe from your trusted family member or maybe professional like a doctor or a psychologist. I think it could be bad, but usually it starts sneaking up inside you. It doesn't just show up at itself.
Okay. Okay. What about you, Kak Sam? Sam or Dias, I don't know. Okay, what about you, Kak Sam? What is your opinion about this topic?
Okay, well, thank you. You are beautiful today.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, for me, it's simple. Like, mental block consists of two words, mental and block.
Okay.
Mental, it means that someone ability or your ability or their ability to face something. But the case is there is a block. There is limitation, there is obstacle to maintain, to face something or someone. It means that for the easiest thing like this, when you cannot confident with yourself, when you stand in front of people, that is one of mental block. The scary mental block, like when you do suicide, in bahasa bunuh diri, something like that. So this is about like
Oh my God.
your negative thinking. Before you are doing something, that's why you are very, very, how to say, cacho on your mind, something like that. That's why this is not health for our mental. That's why we call this about mental block, something
Okay.
like that. So there is obstacle on your mind. That's why you cannot do properly when you face something.
Oh my
That
God.
is mental block.
It's so scary.
Yeah, scary.
If we have like a mental block in ourselves, like a negative thinking, it can make us die, right?
Yeah.
Oh my God. So scary, guys. So, okay, thank you, Kak Dias or Kak Sam.
Anytime, yes.
So, what about you, Kak Nop Nop?
All right.
What do you
so
think about this
about
topic?
mental
block, yes.
I just want to say that in a couple of times we always think about how we can be a nice person to someone else, but unfortunately we forget about how we get to be nice, to be good for ourselves.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We forget about that. We forget about how we motivate ourselves, how we love ourselves. That's what we forget about. So we have to know the way through this problem. Okay.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah. If we talk about mental, the first thing that I have to know, I want to share to all of you guys, we have to focus in one important thing, that is personality.
Okay. Personality.
Okay, so because personality, it's everything that it's some of no Sam some of the knowledge, like the personality is something that underlies a person, like how we control ourselves, how we increase our self-confidence, and also how to communicate with the other individual. So yeah, mental block. If you talk about mental block, afraid of success, afraid of failure, it means takut gagal, something like that.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, that's mental block
Okay.
from what I've learned before.
Okay, okay, thank you, Kak Nop Nop. So, guys, my second question is about do you have like a mental block in yourself? That what is the impact of mental block in yourself? Okay, we'll start from Erwin.
Yeah. Mental block of myself.
Yeah, in
Yeah.
yourself.
I think the mental block of myself, like I'm what is gagal?
Fail. Yes.
I fell about on my thesis, right? And then that's make
Oh my
me
god. Oh my god.
yeah, that's
You
make me
fail
feel
on your thesis.
yeah. That's make me feel like that's a big problem. That's a big problem.
Yes.
And then the day I can handle my emotions, like I'm insecure with my friends, but because my friends finish about the thesis, and then that's make me block my access to handle. I can handle my thesis, but I just insecure about that. Yeah.
Okay, so the mental block is it has a biggest impact in your life.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Like, okay, thank you, Erwin. So, what about you, Kak Mukti? What is the biggest impact of a mental block in yourself?
Well, for me, I don't think I have one in particular, but I guess I have one in my work situation, because I am an architect, and we usually, as an architect, we design houses which we compete with each other to build something that more beautiful, more practical than each other. So sometimes when you look up some professional works, it's, I don't know, it's just feels like they are so far away. So for me as well, it usually happens because I look up to some professional architect globally or even in Indonesia, and whenever I see their work, I think that will I ever be able to achieve the same works that I would ever produce, the same work that they could produce. So yeah, I think it's something that I usually come across when working, but right now I'm trying to overcome it by making sure that in every work that I do, I make sure that I am proud of it before I publish it to the public.
Okay, that's interesting thing. So, okay, thank you, Kak Mukti. So, move to Kak Sam. Kak Sam, what about you, Kak Sam? I'm so curious about your mental block.
Yeah, human being, of course, I believe that human being have bad. Some people cannot find it. Some people find. But for me, I have experience about mental block, especially when I went to a broad country because I don't have many experience in my work. So, oh my God, I feel. Will I doing this? I'm not. How to say? I'm not confident with my ability, special for my work. Not about language, but day by day I learn. But for the first is, oh my God, it's very very heavy because I have to adapt by very fastest.
Okay.
And then actually the impact is like that mental block make me like think, kurus.
Oh yes.
Pim, yeah. That's the impact. Not about language, not about culture, but like about stamina, resistance,
Okay.
like your how to say the juang, something like that. Because when I was work in abroad, it's very very hard. Very hard. And the second, my
Which country?
all of the words.
Oh my God.
And the second, my mental block is when I how to say get friendship from entertainment people.
Okay.
Because half of my work is entertainment. Yes.
Oh.
Yes, because I am master of ceremony.
Yes.
Is it important? Oh my God. Okay. Sometimes they are really really like looks like rich. Their clothes, their shoes. They, oh my God, I'm not rich like them. Oh God, how could it being a blending with them? But for the first is that mental block. But I had to say I control my confidence. With my strengths, like okay, I fluent English. They are not.
Yes.
Okay, I can. Maybe I have many experience. I was traveling the world. They are not.
Okay.
So I just like control by positive thing to maintain to resolve to overcome my mental block. That's my experience. Only two. Thank
Only
you.
two, but it's very good experience.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you for your statement, Kak Dias or Kak Sam. So we move to Kak Nop Nop. So Kak Nop Nop.
And nop.
Sam and Nop Nop. So what about you, Kak Nop Nop?
Okay, so
What do you?
yeah.
What is the biggest impact of mental block in yourself?
Okay, so I may say that it's strict parents include in
Yes.
mental block.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
Really.
I have a strict parent.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it makes me it makes me limit my. Yeah.
We are here.
So we are the same. Yeah. Okay. So I have strict parents. It limits my expression. I don't know where I can express.
Your
You know what I
feeling.
mean? Yeah, express my feeling to applicate about my to develop or my potential actually. Okay, and yeah, I think that's have a very big impact in my life. If I want to join some events, if I want to accompanied by my friends, for example, my parents, how to say malarang, forbidden me to come and join with my friends. I think that's a very big.
Accept this, right?
Accept this
Okay.
because we have improved. We can improve to our parents that we get in the YouTube.
It's not a bad thing.
Yeah. Okay, that's all.
Okay. Thank you, guys. So, we move to the next question, right? Okay. Okay. So guys, the next question I want to ask you about: do you have a trust issue in your life? Start from Erwin.
Very enthusiastic.
You have a bad experience in the past, then you got a trust issue, and you don't believe yourself anymore, and you got a mental block and block your opportunities to get a success or something like you want to achieve. Do you know? Do you get my point?
Yeah, I get your point.
Okay, please.
So about the trust issue,
Yeah.
about the mental block, the mental block, I think, likes what is bumbu? Yeah, so likes spices on your life, but we have a very much dream, and we want to get the dreams.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, and then about the trust issue, I think I have.
What is that?
So if I talk you about, that's my
Is it?
profession.
Oh my God! It's
I
privacy.
Have, yeah, that's privacy. But I have a trust issue. Every people have a trust issue.
Okay.
But-
So what is your trust issue? Tell us,
And then again,
please.
that's my
Is it secret or-
yeah, that's a secret. You can-
Secret.
The
Okay.
secret.
Okay. So
So what?
what next?
What next?
So that's all.
Yeah, I think.
Okay, thank you, Erwin. So, Erwin has a trust issue, but it's privacy. Okay, what about you, Kak Bukti?
What's the question again?
What is your trust issue, privacy? No. Do you have a trust issue in your life?
Trust issue.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not quite sure. It depends. Are we talking about trust issue with others or to ourselves?
Or general.
In general,
Uh-uh.
I guess I have some trust issues with people and even myself because, just like before, past experience, maybe something work related or maybe even life related. But as wise people said that life is confusing and it will only clear up when you're dead. So yeah, I think as Erwin said before as well that it's some kind of a spice to make your lives more entertaining, right? So yeah, that's all for me. For depending on if you're talking about trust issue, yeah. Guess that's
Okay.
all.
Okay, depends on our trust issues. What about you? Secret too. What
This
about
question
you,
is it's not a big issue for me about trust issue because so far in my life my priority is always how to make a good productivity, positive thinking, and positive circle. So I think this question this time is not like it's not how to say it's not effective for us because every speakers is only how to say answer by shortly, right? By short, something like
Yes.
that. That's why you have to change the question, switch,
Okay.
turn. Okay, thank you. I think that's all.
Okay. Okay, that's all.
Yeah, that's
Please
all.
speak more.
Yeah, because I think this is not big issue for me.
Okay.
So far it's aman.
Okay. So, what about Kak? Kak
Nop
Nop
Nop.
Nop. Oh my God. Yes. What about Kak Nop Nop?
Yeah. Is it if we don't believe again with our friends is trust issue? Yeah, I have a trust issue for some of my friends because they borrow my money, but they don't give me back. Yeah, and they borrow with big nominal. So I think about it every day.
Oh my God.
but they don't give me back in a optional day, Yeah, so I don't trust several of my friends.
Okay.
Yes, I don't need their obligation anymore about my friends.
Also, you got trusted by your friends, right?
I think I don't believe them anymore.
You cut them off or
I block her.
Block
I block him in my social media like Twitter,
Oh my
in Instagram, in WhatsApp.
It's
I block
mean
their number.
More than one friends, right?
Yeah,
Oh my god.
they
What?
more, yeah.
they got away with it?
I worry. I'm worried about my money
Oh my god.
because I also need my money.
Oh my god, no.
Okay, so that's my transition.
Toxic friend, right? Okay. Okay, guys. So, next we are going to talk about because we already know about mental block, right? We already discussed about mental block so far. So, what is the benefits to know mental block? What is the benefit to know this topic or mental block? Okay, maybe start from my right side, my left side first. So, what about you? Huh? Left, my left side.
Oh my god.
Okay, so Kak Dias first. What do you think? I don't know. What is the benefits to know this topic?
Yeah, everything in the world created, even negative or positive, of course, has impact, have benefit. If the negative happens, even the negative, of course, have a positive side. It we can call that hikmah, right? Yeah, even negative things, even destroy, even damage, bencana, everything, something like that. Of course, there is positive side. But if you're thinking about the logic, no. But if you're thinking about your religion, of course, we have hikmah about it. So when you got the mental block, you face in the past time, or maybe you learn your study about mental block, of course, have a benefit for us, for me, for you guys. What is the benefit? The benefit, of course, the first is we get information about what's look like mental block. The second is how to face. The third is how do I feel? How can I predict the someone feeling when they face the mental block? And the fourth is, of course, we can evaluate. We can learn from the peoples who have mental block, or maybe we or me.
Yes.
Of course, we can anticipate the bigger or the biggest effect of mental block, because we already faced about the mental block, so we can do better before than it, something like that. Thank you.
Okay, that's a good explanation. Okay. Thank you, Kak Sam. So we move to Kak Nop Nop. What do you think about the benefits of mental block?
Yeah, so if you talk about mental block before,
Don't be sad. Oh my god.
because actually
You look so sad.
because actually I'm not in a good healthy condition.
Oh right, really?
But
It's not about the money, right?
I will cut you off.
Okay, continue please.
Yeah. If you talk about mental block, it related to the other major of knowledge. For example, like as I mentioned before, personality. It's related to the communication skill. It's related to the art. It means like human skills. And also, I think about like it related to the psychology, right? Psychology, because psychology is a study of human mental process. Okay, it's related to all the major of knowledge. So the benefit that we know about the mental block is, we can solve the problem. We can face the problem because we know how to say sebabnya. Yeah. And we have to face the problem, and we also have to develop our potential in ourself.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Kak Nop Nop. So we move to my right side, please. Kak Mukti.
So are we the control
Kak
side?
Mukti. Kak Mukti first. Okay. What do you think about the benefits of to know about mental block?
For me, I think that Mr. Diaz and Mr. Nopal already pretty much say everything about the benefits. But maybe I'll just try to compile it up in one statement.
Okay.
I think for me, learning about mental block could be beneficial for you because it could help act as an experience, right? To get to know yourself better. Because when you try to learn about yourselves more, you get to know how to deal with your problem. You know what maybe holds you back. You know what makes you maybe like what triggers the mental block in yourself. So I think when you try to learn more about yourself, you could try to overcome all of this blockade in your mind, and maybe it could also boost your confidence, so you could maybe thrive even more further beyond everything that you could have ever maybe even thought. Like you said that it's got something like a far dream for me to go overboard, right?
Okay.
Overboard.
Yes.
But maybe try to learn more about how do I start, where do I start, how do I overcome this problem. And for me as well, there are some article that I've read about that everyone have a demon inside them. So I think this demon is probably the mental block itself. So yeah, maybe try to get to know your demon and learn how to work with it, to overcome it. Yeah, so you don't always get pushed by the demon. Don't let them take control, because if they ever take control, that's how the things got far. Maybe it starts from psychological problem, then it went as far as physical problems, and even maybe as far as Mr. Diaz said, maybe even suicide in some case. So yeah, I think if there is really a benefit to knowing your mental block, I think it's more of a learning experience, or hikmah, as it's
Yes.
Yeah, I guess that's all from me.
Okay, thank you for the nice explanation, Kak Mukti. So move to Erwin. What the benefits for you to know this topic, mental block?
Yeah. The mental block.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. One impact from one impact of mental block is insecure, right? I remember quote from a celebrity, like Keanu. Yeah, the Keanu says we need insecure because insecure can improve ourselves. And then yeah, I remember again from the caterpillar, like the caterpillars can handle everything before metamorph like a butterfly. So
Oh,
just like
keren.
that.
Nice,
Yeah.
good, great. It's so
So
great.
thank you.
You jump so far.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think just like that.
Okay, thank you, Erwin, for your great explanation. So, okay, guys, thank you for your explanation about the benefits of mental block. So, next we are going to talk about if there is a mental block happen in your family. Yeah, if mental block happen in your family, what you are going to do, and do you have any like solution? Okay, that's so. Start from Kak Sam first.
Always me.
Yes.
As a first speaker. You like that? Okay, come on. Okay. Thank you for. Is this the last?
Maybe.
Okay.
Depends on the.
Mental block. How to say? If I have a relative, because we call relative, not family, because family is like nucleus. I mean, like inti. Inti keluarga, it's family. But relative, it means that your cousin, your
relative, maybe.
Yeah, relative. If I have, actually, I have, because our relative consists of diversity, a lot of characteristic. Our personality. There is people extrovert, there is people ambivert, there is people introvert. What is the relation or correlation about this? Of course, oftenly introvert person have a mental block, because the introvert person oftenly they cannot or less of confident. Okay, this is our like how to say panggilan hati to panggilan hati to to support them, to support his or her our relative to I would like to help you to make you more confidence, something like that, for the easy perspective, something like that. Okay, for the easy thing like confident case, I will to support. I will to train my relative to be more confident, something. This is only one sample, and actually still there are many sample about a mental block, as I just mentioned just now, right? And I think our friends can make addition about this case. Thank you, Ila.
Thank you, Kasem.
Yes.
So what about let's move to my right side, Kak Mukti. What do you think about the what about you?
The same question?
Yes.
For me, I think it depends on the person itself, not me, the person asking. Because mental block is usually something private, so even if you know it, it's usually not how do I say? It's not common for people to invade others' privacy. So usually for me, it depends on the person, whether if they are reaching out to me first. Because even if I maybe know about their mental block from their friends or their other relatives, but if they don't reach out to me, they don't reach out or ask for help from me, I don't think I will ever try to maybe give them advice, unless they are reaching out to me, like asking me that how am I going to overcome this, what am I supposed to do with this condition that I have. Then maybe I will try just start by giving a more general advice, and then maybe if they are trying to seek more help, more intimately, or maybe even more private to the situation they have in their mental block, maybe I will try, but still try to consider the privacy, because mental block is something of a psychological problem, and talking about psychological, it's not really something that you could easily give advice to others, right? Yeah. It's because it could affect the personality of the person itself. So I think depends on them. If they try to reach out to me, maybe I'll try to give them some help. But if they don't, maybe they just try to keep it a secret to themselves. I would not try to invade their privacy.
Like Erwin.
I don't know about Erwin.
Okay. Next, what about Kak Nop? What do you think?
So we already know that we as a human being, like we are a specific we are a specific creator that created by God.
Yes,
we have
I know.
our each characteristic. Like I mentioned before, I have strict parents, so I think my mom and also my dad have their own characteristic. So I think as a human being, we grow and also we develop with the other person, right?
Yes.
Okay, so it's impossible for me to develop alone, I think. So as a person, we have to gather with our family, we gather with our friends to we have to develop together to develop our potential in our life.
Let's dance together.
Yeah.
Let's dance together.
Okay. Oh, so guys, that is still Erwin. I almost forget Erwin. Mas Erwin. So, what about you, Erwin?
Can you? What's your question? Repeat your question.
Okay. If there is any your family have a mental block, what is your opinion about it?
The mental block on my on my family. I think I have, but I don't apa?
You don't want to tell us? You don't want to tell us?
No,
It's privacy?
the privacy, but saya tidak terlalu paham.
You don't really understand
I
about it.
don't really understand about what their mental block, but I think the mental block from theirs is a manusiawi.
Oh my God, mental block is manusiawi.
Yeah.
Yes, it's so. It's
It's normal, but
we have mental block.
yeah,
So
I think yes.
okay. Thank you, Erwin. So guys, we are 3 minutes left. So what is your conclusion about this topic? Start from Kak Dias. Yes. Kak Sam, Kak Dias. It's same, guys.
Okay.
It's same. Kak
Okay,
Dias.
thank you. Mental block as our definition just now. Everyone always say that this is a blocking something. This is a blocking our confident, our optimistic, and for the first, the most important is we have to put our awareness about this.
Yes,
The
of
first,
course.
and the second is we have to try by our maximal, try our best to get keluar dari situ. And
Go
after
out
that we have to
from-
improve our personality, our skill, our mentality, and do your best for the best, something like that.
Oh my God.
And the most important, you have to make a good progress day by day, year by year, period by period, and century by century.
Oh my God. Century by century.
Because we are in eternal. No, kidding. Okay, I think that's my conclusion about our topic for this evening, mental block.
Okay.
But before we closing our topic, we have to say hello for our fans there.
Hello,
Hi,
fans.
Okay, please take
Okay.
over.
Thank you, Kak Dias. So, what about you, Kak Nop Nop? Yeah.
Okay, so my conclusion
Yes.
about the topic for tonight.
Mhm.
Nowadays it's viral about suicide cases, and most of them from a teenager. Yeah, I think that most of them do suicide because they have a weak mentality to face their problems, I think. Yeah. So my conclusion, we know that there's a lot of people being disturbed by their insecurities and etc. Yeah, so that's their problem. But remember that we as a human being, all of us have
Mental block.
have the same problem.
Oh, yes, same problem,
Yeah,
insecurity.
we have insecurity and etc.
Yeah.
So the difference is how we avoid the problem, how we
Solve.
solve the problem and against the problem.
Yes.
Do like good meditation in your brain. Meditation, yeah.
Meditation.
And keep good things fend off your brain to avoid the negative thing in your life. Yeah, so that's all.
Okay, thank you, Kak Nop Nop. So, what about you, Erwin? Close? Okay, that's all. So, thank you guys for coming here, and thank you for the viewers and listeners at home. We are at the end of this program, so thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.